Hey, what's up, my fearless friends? Shay Sean Phearnone McPherson back with another Gear and Gadgets with you, where I talk solutions, gear, and tech for DJs, performers, and musicians alike. Today, I'm talking about something a little bit different, and that's how we get our gear and tech, especially if we have our DJ businesses and services, DBAs, anything like that. A great business credit card will help you get far. And I saw a great offer recently this week, and I just wanted to jump on quickly and let all the people who follow my channel know about it. If you're in the market for a new credit card, this is definitely one to look at. It's from American Express, the Business Platinum, which helps with travel and a million other perks that we're going to get into. So let's get right into this. So we all know that being an artist and running your own business can be very costly. Everything seems like it's over $1,000, and you really need a lot of stuff to start up and get your legs running with your company. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but I believe one of the best ways to help take the brunt of that cost of starting up your business in the beginning is a business credit card. Because one, it's not on your personal credit, and two, they give you higher balances so you can get a couple of things for your company to get it started. I came across this American Express deal. They have a business platinum card that I've been watching for a long time, but there's a special deal going on with it in this last quarter of 2021. Now, this is American Express's most premium business card that they have in their lineup. And to give away 150,000 membership rewards points is kind of unheard of. What else is crazy is that they're giving a 0 APR for 12 months. So that gives you 12 months to pay off your gear. What's funny is I saw this deal on Sunday evening, and today is Tuesday. And luckily I applied for the card before I saw this change, that it dropped 30,000 membership points like that. So they must have had a lot of people jumping on this, which is why I'm doing the video for my fearless friends here at Gear and Gadgets. I think everybody needs to jump on this if they're in the market for a business credit card and they have the credit or the relationship with American Express. I actually have 2 credit cards with American Express already, personal cards. But I was eyeing a business card and I just went for it. And luckily I was approved for my, I use my entertainment company, Phearnone Entertainment. And now it gives me a lot of leverage to enhance my company in many ways, between travel, getting more gear, and just, upgrading my status. Now, I know the annual price of $596 can seem to be a steep price, but when we go through some of these perks that you get and credits that you get for your company, travel options, and statuses that you get from hotels if you're a gig and DJ and you're moving all around, it way outweighs the $595 annual fee. And unlike the personal card, is $595. The personal platinum card is $695, and the business is about to go up to $695. So you have to get this deal before January 13th of 2022, which is another reason why I'm putting out this video, so we can get on this quickly.
Phearnone Entertainment.
So we're just going to scroll down on American Express site and go through some of the perks. So you get 5 times the points, American Express points on flights and prepaid hotels that you pay through American Express's vendor site. You get 1.5 times the points on business categories and purchases up to $5,000, and you get 1 times the points on all other purchases. So as you scroll down, they're saying here you get $1,000 in business value, but I think it might be even more. These are some of the companies that you would use with your business. That's your cell phone. If you pay your cell phone bill, you get a $120 credit. Adobe Creative Solutions. For those of you who don't know, that's like Photoshop, and there's a whole suite of things that Adobe does. Indeed is if you want to put an ad out to fulfill a job placement, and then you get $400 with Dell, which is kind of crazy. And I know a lot of people are like, well, I use IBM or I use Mac. I don't use Dell, but Dell makes, projectors and all these other kind of odd things like screens that might be helpful for your company in your office or in the field. Dell also sells a lot of third-party products on their site, and this credit could be used to all of that. Another known strength of American Express Platinum cards is using them for travel and going into the lounges. There's like a whole suite of lounges that you can go through and get access to. You also get a $200 airline fee credit. Also, you get a $179 clear credit. So we're already well over the annual fee for this card. You get 35% airline bonuses. You also receive a fee credit or reimbursement when you apply for global entry or TSA pre every 4 to 4.5 years. This card is also convenient because it has no foreign transaction fees, especially with the world opening back up after the long lockdown. I think this card can be very useful. And overall, I think the card is great. If you're starting your business and you need to make a big purchase, I would definitely look into this in the last quarter of 2021. Well, this is my wrap up. Thank you for coming by and watching this video and making it to the end. If you like stuff like this, or if you like talk about tech and gears and gadgets and clothes for DJs, musicians, and artists alike, please subscribe to my channel or just give it a like. And for my people who follow, let me know if I should continue to do more financial things that I come across that I think might be good for business owners. I'm in no way a financial advisor, but I like to, share perks with my people who follow me and support my channel. Once again, Phearnone McPherson. Peace.